We're eating Reeses right now.
We're eating Reeses. See? And we have milk.
Has an A for Alicia.
And a K. And a K. And a K.
Okay.
That was funny. And a K. For Christina. I kind of want to eat this.
Oh.
You can't see what color they are, and that's the best part. Oh my god, look, Alicia.
Hold on. What?
The middle comes out. And then look at this, the ring left. I like the other way better.
We were just green a little while ago.
I like boogers.
You know, like night vision, because I forgot to shut it off. What?
Hi. Oh my god. I like the blue kind.
They all taste the same.
No. The yellow one tastes like lemons. This one tastes like limes.
No.
This one tastes like
They're
poop.
chocolate.
This one tastes like poop. Okay, so I just put one in here. You can see it. And I'm gonna make chocolate milk. I've never done this before.
Well, most people wouldn't put a chocolate covered peanut in their milk.
I would. My K fell off. My K fell off. Actually.
Well, 12 things when I laugh, because then it doesn't go down. So every time I'm with Christina and I drink something.
That's not my name.
It doesn't go down because she makes me laugh.
I don't say anything. Hi. Get a sweatshirt and come to the fire.
Why is that funny? Can you tell us why that's funny? But what's so funny? Don't drink it.
Huh? Oh wait, I drank it!
You drank the peanut?
No, not the peanut. It tastes like milk though, I forgot about it. Can you give me a peanut? Almond Joy.
Eating Reeses with Christina and Alicia. Yeah.